What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to another portfolio update. Thank you so much for tuning in today. In today's video, I'm going to cover the main stock account. I'm going to look at the options moves that I made as well as the stock that I'm getting ready to buy. We'll look at the current options plays as well as the crypto and the little Robinhood portfolio. So today we're up 2,400. We almost cracked, actually we did crack 300,000 briefly, but fell back in the late afternoon. So here are my positions from largest to smallest. As far as today's movers, we got Microsoft with a 1.6% up move. Enphase continues to have strength, up 1.72%. So I'm very glad I closed those short calls a few days ago. Tesla with a nice 4% move up today. Definitely eagerly awaiting the news tomorrow. Shopify continues to show strength, up 3%. And DraftKings continues to show strength, up 2%. Looking at the moves that I made, I actually did most of these yesterday, but just didn't get a chance to do a video. So if you look right here, yesterday I rolled my 22 Palantir covered call to $23. So I rolled from 22 to 23, rolled from this Friday, which is in 2 days, out until July 12th. So added a little under a month and went up one strike, and I paid about $25 or so as a debit to do that roll. Yesterday I also added 32 shares to DraftKings, now holding 300 shares. I played around with Celsius a bit yesterday, got stopped out, so took a small loss there, and then played around with Celsius again today and got stopped out again. So I took a small loss of about, I think it's $600 between the 2 days. As far as the stock that I'm getting ready to buy, well, it was what I was just talking about. So Celsius is number one on my radar right now. I sort of jumped the gun a bit yesterday. I really liked how, it's hard to see, but this second candle, which is from yesterday, right here, I really liked how it recovered over the 200-day moving average, which is this red line. So I took a small position of about $10,000, and it started to bleed out today, and so I cut this about halfway through the day, and it continued to run down. So I saved myself a little bit of money, but I will definitely be getting back to this shortly. We're looking at under a 30 RSI, so it definitely should not have too much further to go, but I'll probably wait for another green candle to start, probably a few green candles actually, to signify that buyers are beginning to step in. So that is on Celsius and the technicals. Looking at the current options plays, let's look at anything new that we have going on. So we have Shopify, we're down 227% or $594 right here. That's due to Shopify having such a nice run. What else? We have DraftKings, which we are down 61% on, $147, which is perfectly fine. And then Nike, we're up 51%, $126. Just going to hold on to that for the next 16 days, and probably just collect 100% on that and let it expire worthless. And then SoFi, 6.5 puts, we're up 20% or $42. So I'm probably hold on to that one as well. Everything else is really far out in the distance, so no need to cover those on a daily basis. Looking at the Robinhood portfolio, really just holding cash in this. This is going to go back to a crypto portfolio shortly. We do have the SoFi Leaps, which we're still down 14% on. And then the rest is just cash. So individual cash, 11,400. The main crypto portfolio, I actually have to go out. Remind me later. Main crypto portfolio. Let's see. This can't be right because we're not up 1%. There we go. So we're sitting at 45,000, just holding Bitcoin and Ethereum. And then in the degenerate portfolio, we're up on this. We're just holding Brett, which is a meme coin, and we're up 57 bucks because I put in 1,000 into this portfolio. So this one is just speculation and gambling, but it's been pretty. It's had a good fluctuation. It was up to about 1,200 bucks a couple of days ago, so the fluctuations are pretty big. As far as stocks on my radar or moves, tomorrow I'll probably be selling cover calls on Tesla, regardless of what happens. Whenever crypto starts to break out, I'll be going into BitX. SoFi still looking good. Snowflake, Starbucks, PayPal, Unity, Alta, and Salesforce. Those are companies that could possibly make it into the portfolio soon. So I'll be doing another video tomorrow, so I'll check in with you guys then. Smash the like button if you haven't already, and I will see you guys